So today I'll be dealing with apoptosis. So what is apoptosis? Apoptosis is nothing but programmed cell death. So in our body there are millions of cells, and of that millions of cells there are so many cells that are dying every day and new cells are being produced. So why does apoptosis have to take place in our body? So there are two main reasons why. When a cell has completed its lifespan, okay, and another one reason is when a cell is stressed out. What do I mean when I say the cell has completed its lifespan? It means I'll tell you with an example. RBC cell, it has a lifespan of 120 days. 120 days. Some books says 110 days, but for this video let's assume it has 120 days. After 120 days it will undergo apoptosis, that is a death after completing its lifespan. Now the cells, when they are in stress conditions means they might lack they might lack oxygen, they might lack certain nutrients, or else there may be certain mutations that has taken place in the DNA, and the DNA has broken down, or there are certain lesions in the DNA, so the cell is no longer healthy cell. In that cases, that cell might prove very dangerous to our body, so that cell has to be eliminated from our body. To eliminate that cell, apoptosis takes place, apoptosis of that cell. Now here in this diagram, this is a normal healthy cell. This is a This is the healthy cell, and this is the cell which is undergoing apoptosis. Now you can see the structure of the cell has changed. The cell structure has changed, the nucleus has changed, and these are forming a structure called as bulbs. Okay, so there is one protein called as caspases. Caspases are nothing but enzymes which bring about these all functions. Firstly, what it does, now consider in our body there are cells. Every cell is being surrounded by neighboring cell. So caspases, what it does is it goes and attacks the cell which is undergoing apoptosis and remove it from the neighboring cell. So what it does, it goes and disrupts focal adhesion kinases. These are necessary for the cell to be surrounded by the rest of the cell. If this only is disrupted, then this cell detaches from its neighboring cell and is no longer surrounded by the nearby healthy cells. Okay, so now we have, like, the caspases has pulled out the unhealthy cell from the healthy cell, and next what it does is it goes and attacks the lamin protein of the nucleus. This is the nucleus, right? And this is the nucleus has something at the region of its nuclear envelope called as lamin proteins. It is necessary for maintaining the structure of that nucleus. So that is being disrupted by caspases. So that is why here the nucleus is somewhat in disoriented form. And next, our human body has certain structure, okay? That is because of the presence of skeleton. Even our cells, body cells, also have certain structure because of the presence of cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton. Now, caspases goes and targets the proteins of cytoskeletons and disrupt those proteins. By disrupting those proteins, the cell will no longer have its original shape. So you can see this is the cell with a normal original shape, and these are the cell which are undergoing apoptosis. They have lost its shape. So after losing its shape, they form something called as bulbs. They bulb out, okay, forming small apoptotic bodies which are engulfed by the phagocytes. And That is how a cell is being eliminated from the body. Unwanted, unhealthy cell. Okay, that is basic of apoptosis. Now, in the next video, I'll tell you different pathways of apoptosis. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.